time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills, lived Lily and Alex. They were two souls who had never crossed paths until a rare cosmic event changed everything. One clear night, a meteor shower painted the sky with streaks of brilliance. Lily, a passionate stargazer, decided to capture the celestial spectacle on her camera. Little did she know that Alex, an amateur astronomer, had the same idea. As they both reached the town's highest point, their eyes met under the twinkling stars. It was an instant connection, as if the universe had conspired to bring them together. They spent the night sharing stories about their dreams, fears, and the constellations that held special meaning for them. Days turned into nights, and Lily and Alex found themselves falling for each other. Their love story blossomed against the backdrop of breathtaking sunsets and moonlit walks. They discovered a shared passion for adventure, and together they explored the wonders of the world around them. One day, Alex surprised Lily by naming a star after them. It was a symbolic gesture, a promise that their love would be as eternal as the galaxies above. The news of this heartwarming gesture spread like wildfire, capturing the attention of romantics and dreamers worldwide. Their love story became a viral sensation, with people around the globe following their journey through social media updates and breathtaking snapshots of their adventures. Viewers were captivated by the magic of their connection and the beauty of the world they explored together. The final chapter of their story unfolded when Alex proposed to Lily under the same meteor shower that had brought them together. The video of the proposal went viral, and the internet collectively celebrated the power of love and the wonders of the cosmos. Lily and Alex's love story continues to inspire people to believe in the magic of serendipity and the beauty of finding love in unexpected places. Their journey reminds us all that sometimes the most extraordinary love stories are written in the stars.